how to create an FAQ page in Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can create a FAQ page in Shopify. So let's get into it. Now Shopify has done a revamp of their entire website. They've updated it, changed the UI and everything. So just wanted to tell you guys that if you think it looks different. But next, anyway, moving on, we'll go into the online store and go into theme section, and you'll see that now instead of the Dawn theme, we have the Horizon theme. This is the default theme now. So we're gonna go ahead and click on customize and open up the editor. Now, once it's loaded up, this is how it looks like. The editor looks pretty similar. Nothing changed over here except for a few things, but they're minimal. They don't even register. So next, click on home page, and here you'll see you have pages, right? These are all the pages. You can create a template if you want. And if you click on create template, we'll go ahead and select one of these options. You can based on whatever, but we'll go with default and click on contact page or FAQ and click on create template. So now here you can see this is the page right here. We now have a page right here. Currently we have no pages assigned. That's fine. And now I want you to come back over to the theme section, and here underneath online store we have pages. So click on pages, and here click on add page, and here name it FAQ, and you can write whatever content you want. It totally depends on you. And here just select the theme, right? Select save. And now the page has been created and it is now registered over here. I'm going to reload this over here. And as you can see right here, go into pages, you can see the template is now been assigned. So now we can go ahead and change it up. So here, instead of this title saying contact, we can go ahead and type in our page name, FAQs, and this is going to be heading. Yep. And also let's center align it if we can. There you go. Boom. Now, next we have the content section over here. What I'll do is I'll just click on add section, and here you can see you have a bunch of different options right here. You've got dividers, email, contact form, you've got lists, text, spot, you've got marquees, large logo, whatever, right? All these different ones. There's also the option to directly add a FAQ option right here. Before you did not have this option. Now you do. Now you can just simply click over here and just add that content right here. There you go. Before you'd have to make this on your own. You'd have to select like multi-choice questions, and then you could add those questions over here, and then you can go ahead and add. But now you won't have to. So here I'll just, instead of saying frequently asked questions, I'll just say have a question or something like that. And also I don't think I can put this in the middle, but I can put some padding over here. It won't matter. We can also add a background over here if you want, but I think this looks good. And overall, I can assign up to the center by clicking on this button right here. Instead of just selecting the text, I can select the whole FAQ page, and then I can select the center over here. Next, we have these questions, right? Over here, what you want to do is select the question that you want to edit, then click on the text, and then here, just add what you want. So here, you can see if I select this one, I can add the question over here, and then I can select the text, and here I can add the answer. So that's how you can change it. After that, you should be good to go. So they've made it quite simple. They revamped it. So now it's easy to create a whole new FAQ page. So next, just simply save it, and boom, there you go. And if you want to make sure that it does appear on your homepage, go to your homepage. Here in the menu section, you can go ahead and add it by clicking on the menus and clicking on edit, and it'll open up the menu section. Here, select add menu and select link and select pages. And here you should have the FAQ page. Currently it's not visible because I remember I selected it hidden. Now it should be visible over here. Forgot that. So now if I go into pages, I have the FAQ selected, save it. Now, if I come back over here, reload it, it should be over here. So now if I click on the edit button, I have the FAQ over here. It should be appearing now. There we go. It just needed to load a little bit, but now we have the FAQ page over here and people can go ahead and access it. So there you have it. That's how you do it. That's how you can add an FAQ page in your Shopify section. And also you can add like an FAQ section right here as well. Totally depends on you. But there you go. That's how you create an FAQ page in Shopify. So thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.